Another day, charot. Hi guys! So, another day, another coffee shop ang explore natin for today. So, punta kami ngayon ng Silang na to visit a coffee shop. So for today, we will try another coffee shop at Silang Cavite. Ayan. So itong mga binivisit namin na coffee shop, ito din yung mga pinopost sa Facebook. Ayan. Pero wala kasi masyadong reviews doon. So ang gagawin namin, itatry namin para kami na magre-review para sa inyo. Ganun. And see you there.
Singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. You got me singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Take a drive.
Hello guys, so yung in-order namin na dalawa na drinks, ano to? Yuzu. Basta lemonade with popping boba na lychee. Parang yun yung idea nito. Tapos yung sa kanya naman ay
Nutella, hindi ko alam eh. Basta Nutella.
okay, so yun yung drink.
Tikman natin yung Nutella. Coffee base siya. Coffee base. Malakas kasi yung music dito. Lasang toffee nut na flavor. So, nutty, kaya Nutella. Nutty yung flavor. Tapos chocolatey. Tapos coffee, ganon. Basta, ano siya, similar to toffee nut latte. Yan.
Bistro. Bistro pala. Yung lasa niya guys, ayan, medyo may nanay music. Typical lemonade, kung ano yung lasa ng lemon. And may additional texture lang yung mga parang seeds na yon. Tapos
Chia seeds.
Chia seeds and yung popping boba. So, simple taste. Kumbaga parang yung lasa niya is what you expect from it. Parang ganun yung lasa niya. So, goods, no? Parang rustic, kumbaga. Classic. Okay? So, masarap.
Nag-auto adjust. Wait lang.
Yung pork, seasoned with salt and pepper. So simple taste. Then yung garlic rice nila masarap. Simple taste.
Ay, in-order ko ay garlic parmesan and fries. Ayan. So, meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wings. Tapos fries. Ayan. Tikman natin yung wings.
Kumain mo na.
Ayoko.
Partner.
Yun na nga.
Seasoned chicken.
Mm-mm. May lasa yung loob, guys.
Kasi hindi siya bonchon. Medyo hindi siya bonchon.
You got me singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your